Chemical engineering is a mix of concepts and skills used to design products that we can use on a day-to-day basis.
Turns raw materials into useful products, as well as different processes and how to design them effectively.
Products such as medicine, fuel, clean water, food, and batteries.
How everything moves, reacts, and operates inside of a plant.
It's definitely a mix of physics, chemistry, math, and also very hands-on work within the lab.
It combines all of these using the engineering design principles.
Chemistry basically gives us the what, but the engineering part gives us the how.
Hi, my name is Saman.
Hi, my name is Behrad.
Hi, my name is Jessica.
Hi, my name is Fatima.
I'm a first-year student.
I'm a second-year student.
I'm a third-year student.
I'm a fourth-year chemical engineering student.
And this is my perspective.
And this is my perspective.
And this is my perspective.
And this is my perspective on chemical engineering at TMU.
The general chemistry lab was what got me more excited because it was more hands-on. For example, we covered titrations, but in this case, we had to handle more hazardous materials. We would have to be more responsible with how we handled the chemicals and wear safety equipment in order to stay safe. They covered more reactive processes, which was like a newer introduction to what we will be going through in the future. One misconception would be that it's only chemistry. There's definitely a lot of other concepts that we apply, especially physics and math. So I think that's something to consider when deciding whether that's what you want to continue studying. In the beginning, I thought it was just like lab work and stuff. As time went on, I realized that we have to combine all the concepts we're learning in order to create like designs that are really useful in like the outside world and that are safe to use.
The chemical engineering community at TMU is really more friendly. Me and all of our classmates basically like know each other. We all like plan to go go to somewhere like after class or like hang out. Unlike other disciplines, we don't like specifically use like a lot of this software or this tool or that. It's definitely like safety equipment in our labs that we use a lot. On a daily basis, we use like Excel and MATLAB. We use Excel as a tool for data analysis and basically for our courses when we need to like analyze any data, basically visualize it and somehow present it. On the academic side, for the chemical engineering student group, there's our course union, which is ChemU, and there's also a design team, ChemEcar. Me personally, last year I was the Vice President operations of the course union, ChemU. The course union hosts a lot of like more academic events, so they're like professional development events, like industry nights, co-op panels, some social events. It was a really fun and rewarding experience. I made a lot of new friends and connections.
If you're in chemistry, you learn how different chemicals function, but there's a physics side of it. How would they react in heat? How you can apply that to build materials and how to optimize system when you're manufacturing something. There's a lot of topics on fluid dynamics, how particles react in heat. So there's heat transfer and mass transfer, nanoparticles, how they would react in different environments. What's special about chemical engineering at TMU is that co-op is mandatory. So the co-op department definitely helped from the beginning. They reach out to us and they definitely guide us on how to write resume, how to prepare for an interview, and they definitely have helped me prepared for the co-op that I'm in right now. I was definitely looking into energy and sustainable engineering position. So I'm currently in environmental engineering. I'm doing a lot of regulatory legal others, RLOs, tracking. So I would go into the government website, council minutes, and I look at different type of changes, amendments to regulation or code and make sure that the company is following those. Environmental observation tour and going on site to make sure, for example, our drains or basins are not contaminated with chemicals.
My 4 years of schooling, including my 1 year of co-op, has shaped my view of chemical engineering in many ways. I've taken so many different courses and done projects, including my capstone project, and been involved in so many extracurriculars that it's allowed me to realize that I might hold a chemical engineering degree, but what it's really done is shape the way I think and approach problems in creative and effective ways. Being captain of design teams, organizing national conferences, just also other small things as well. And I think that really helped me make so many different connections, not only just with students from other universities, but professors and industry professionals as well. And all of those connections and experiences combined have really, I think, set me apart and prepared me for the future. My capstone project as a final year engineering student, I designed a zero liquid discharge water treatment plant, which actually earned us the Innovation Award at the end of year capstone presentation. I was in a team of 3 other final year chemical engineering students where we were assigned to make a water treatment plant for a near zero liquid discharge plant, combining treatment processes for both organic and inorganic contaminants. So this was a especially difficult thing to do because this kind of process doesn't actually exist in reality. So my team and I did extensive research trying to combine things from different processes that we saw in the industry to figure out something that would work for us. In the end, we were able to make a cohesive plant able to treat all of the different contaminants to reach the ASTM standard for ultra pure water standards, which is what the goal was. The ultra pure water is usually used in things like microelectronics, things like computer chips, microwaves, things like that, because the water they use needs to be super pure to the level of just hydrogen and oxygen, essentially. I'm going straight into the industry. I actually have a job lined up at Amazon as an area manager, where I believe my chemical engineering degree will come really handy. It's going to help me approach problems creatively and propose different effective solutions to whatever challenges I might face. What excites me the most is the societal impact for chemical engineering. I believe folks trained in the chemical engineering discipline have the ability to contribute to things like clean energy and water treatment and pharmaceuticals, which I believe are really important for society to progress.
I'm looking forward to getting a wider perspective of what chemical engineering offers, discovering what area of the field I want to pursue in the future.
Chemical engineering was really different from the other industries because they were more focused on the design, really small scale. But chemical was more at the larger scale and industry factory size, and that's why I chose chemical.
It combines lots of energy, and there's manufacturing and pharmaceuticals. So I think the chemical engineering field is very versatile, and it has tons of different options and places that one can go in.
If you're someone who want to dabble in a little bit of everything, chemical engineering give you that different routes to go into.